So today we're going to take a look at a brand new printer, the Bambu Lab P1S. Let's see how it compares to the P1P. I literally just got the Bambu Lab P1S last night, so I thought I'd unbox it and do a quick video for you. This is strictly an overview, and the full review will be published on Tom's Hardware after I've had a chance to put it through its paces. The P1S has the same touchscreen that we all love to hate. This one, of course, has the upgraded enclosure with a glass door and a glass top. That means we can now print ABS. The side panels are plastic, but they're pretty nice. The P1S has a gold PEI flex sheet, and it's labeled for PLA, ABS, PETG, but TPU is missing. I wonder why that is. Inside the cabin, we have the same camera as the P1P, a pre-installed light, and a big curtain fan that's built into the side wall. The hot end is exactly the same, with magnets to hold everything together. Then back here, we have a little door that when you open it up, reveals a carbon filter. Hey, by the way, if you're liking this, let me know by clicking that like button and, maybe subscribing. Now let's take a look at the P1P. The P1P had that touchscreen first. The P1P has a black flex plate. Its sides are completely unfinished. In fact, they're kind of raw, but you can print some yourself if you like. Over here, we have that camera that I had to install, the light that I had to print and install, and over here's a fan which I installed and in the process blew up my AMS. Maybe I'll tell you that story later. The hot end is the same. And when you open this little door, there's nothing. There's not a thing behind that door. Let's take a quick look at the backside. The big difference is the P1P has a huge space where you can see the belts. When I took this video, the P1S was rocking that single rear-mounted spool holder, which I got rid of about 5 minutes later. The P1S has a fan back here for the cabin filter. Over here, no fan for you. Whew, that was fast. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today, and let me know what other printers I should put head to head.